Listen, I've said it before and I'm gonna say it again. Some of your designs, they suck. And that's exactly why you're struggling to make sales. But here's the thing, it's not entirely your fault. See, a lot of you just simply don't know what tools to use. Not to mention all the videos out there are showing you basically the same designs over and over. And those graphics are seriously everywhere on Etsy, meaning you'll never make any money. That's why today I'm bringing it down step by step, showing you how to create a simple but elegant image that will actually make money. Now, I usually stick to Photoshop, meaning I've barely ever touched Canva. So I'm kind of going in blind, but if I can make something with this program, then so can you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to turn regular photos like these into something like this. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. Okay, now once you have Canva open, we're just gonna go create design, and I already have it 1500 by 1000. Then we're gonna upload that image, the original image, the one you want as a background. So we'll go to upload, put that in there, fill it to the screen. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is take them out of this picture. You want them completely gone so that you have that backdrop. So from there, you're just gonna go to edit, and you're gonna use magic eraser. Now this magic eraser, you're just gonna highlight them completely. Once they are all highlighted, click erase, and it's gonna remove them from that picture. Once that's done, what we're gonna do is just upload it again, and we're going to have that same picture, and then we're going to remove this background. So click for background remover, and now they are removed. Now we can move them wherever we want. Now in this case, we're going to put them up like this, make them a little big, and we're gonna move them over here into this corner piece, right over here. And now we're gonna fade it, all right? So now that that's set to where I exactly want it, as you see, it is kind of a focal point. We wanna eliminate them from the focal point because we're going to add an extra image. So in this case, what we're going to do is go to apps, and you're gonna type in image blender. From there, click on image blender, blending it, and now it blends that image. So we're going to switch this up because we want their heads, not the bottom part of them. And there they are right there, kind of fading because of the mist coming from the ocean. We are going to hit save. And now we are going to take the transparency and bring it down a little bit because it's still a little bit too bright. So what you're gonna do is go right here to transparency and pop that down to maybe about, I'd say 35. How about that? I mean, you could go a little higher if you wanted to, but we want to keep the, the main focal point, the main piece here. So let's put that down to 35, and there we go. Now, once that's done, now we want to bring in that focal piece. So in there, we're going to go to uploads. We're going to upload this image. Like I said, I've already uploaded them all, so I just have to click it here, and this is going to be our main image here. So we're going to remove the background again, and there that is. And now we're going to make this big. Now from there, you're pretty much done. But if you want to make a little bit of adjustments here and there, just click here and you can click edit. Then you can go through the different adjustments here of the temperature, the coloring, if you want it a little bit sharp, if you want it a little bit bright, you can mess around with it all over there. What I like to do is I like to add a little bit of shadowing to it. So you just go to this effect here, right there, do the little drop shadow, and then it will adjust that picture. So you need to make sure of that. So as you do that, we're just going to angle it. And once that's done, now we need to readjust that picture. Now, once you're happy with the design that you've created, just go to share and then click download, and then you're good to go. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, you just learned how to create a one-of-a-kind design that people will actually want to buy. This unique piece creates a forever memory of their special day. And the best part, you can put this on pillows, mugs, canvas prints, pretty much anything. No matter what you sell, this kind of look works across the board. Now, before you go, if this helped you and you want more quick and easy design tutorials, then drop me a comment below and let me know, and I'll keep them coming. And don't forget to subscribe and check out my school platform, both which are completely free. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.